The company bought me a luxury soft sleeper. I've done some homework. This is a train, began to serve in 2004. Many guys haven't experienced it. Let me show you. First of all, pretty narrow corridor. If you sit here with your legs folded, there's no space. Let's take a look at the room. Since it's an old train, the room is not good enough. What makes it different is his bunk bags. Here's a small sofa, which is not bad. Cozy. There's a small bathroom. Look at the small toilet. Crude enough. It's like the heating pipe. The liquid soap. Nothing fancy. Pretty simple. The train of 2004 is over 20 years already. Though there's a socket when we plug in, there's only power from time to time. Not good as expected. Check it out. It hasn't been cleaned for years. So dirty. Let me show you the mattress. See? The sheet is changed every time, but not a mattress. So you'd better not to see it. A neat freak can't see it. The high-ending thing. The room service number. Here's a TV set. There's no need to watch it certainly since you have a pad. My lower berths cost a dozen of yuan more than the upper. What do you think of this luxury soft sleeper?